Hello, children. In this session, we will discuss the topic political radicalism and economic crisis. Children, we have learned that the birth of Weimar Republic was not very well received by conservative nationalists. This led to revolutionary uprising of the separatist league in the same way as the Bolshevik Revolution was carried out in Russia. Workers and sailors came together to establish Soviets in many cities. People started demanding Soviet style governance, and the political atmosphere in Berlin started building for this change. But the Socialist Democrats and Catholics who had supported Weimar Republic were opposed to the idea of Soviet style governance. So they met in Weimar to strengthen democratic republic and give a new shape to it. Weimar Republic decided to crush the uprising with the help of a war veterans organization called Free Corps. The Revolutionary Separatist League got anguished and they later founded the Communist Party of Germany. This confrontation made communist and socialist enemies forever, and they could never come together to stand against Hitler. Both revolutionaries and militant nationalists were fighting for radical solutions. Children, by radical solution, we mean that solution which address the root cause of the problem. Children, on one side, fight for political radicalism was going on. On the other hand, economic crisis was mounting in 1923. Children, in fighting the war, Germany had taken large amount of loan and was forced to pay war reparations in gold. By reparation we mean make up for a wrong done. Now in economic crisis which was already prevailing, depletion of gold reserve further added in draining the resources of Germany. When in 1923 Germany refused to pay, French occupied its leading industrial area Ruhr to claim their coal. Germany retaliated to this and showed passive resistance and started printing paper currency recklessly without thinking of its consequences. As a result, with too much printed money came in circulation and the value of German mark started falling. US dollar was in April equal to 24,000 mark. In July, it was equal to 3,53,000 mark. Children, on August, it was equal to 46 lakh 21,000 mark. Whereas in December, it was 9 crore 88 lakh 60,000 marks. Children, with the collapse of German mark, the prices of the goods started roaring. An image of Germans carrying cartloads of currency notes to buy a loaf of bread was widely published and it became a matter of worldwide sympathy. Children, such a situation when prices rise high beyond control is known as hyperinflation. Lastly, Americans took notice of the pathetic condition of Germany and they came forward to rescue and bail Germany out of this crisis. Americans introduced the Davos Plan, by which they reworked the term of reparations and eased out the financial burden on Germans. Next topic is the years of depression. Children, the economic crisis, which started in 1923, saw some stability between 1924 and 1928. This was totally because of the help and short term loans provided by USA for economic and industrial recovery in Germany. But in USA, Wall Street Exchange crashed in 1929 and the USA overdrew the support it was providing to Germany. In Wall Street Exchange, people sold out 13 million shares on a single day on 24th October, fearing a fall in share prices. This was the start of the Great Economic Depression. The result of this depression was that the national income of USA fell by half between 1929 and 1932. Factories were shut down and exports fell. Farmers were badly affected. The effects of this recession in US economy were felt worldwide. The German economy was worst affected. From 1929 to 1932, industrial production in Germany fell by 60%. Workers either lost their jobs or were paid reduced wages. More than 6 million people became unemployed. People were roaming on roads displaying placards in want of work. Unemployed youths not able to get jobs took to criminal activities. The total situation in Germany became worst. The German currency lost its value, people's savings started diminishing because of the roaring prices of the goods. Small businessmen, self employed, and retailers suffered huge loss as their business got ruined. These sections of the society went into a state of fear called proletarianism, which is an anxiety of becoming unemployed. Only workers for organized sectors could somehow manage in the ongoing crisis. Even the big businessmen were in crisis. Farmers were affected by a sharp fall in agricultural prices. Women were filled with a sense of deep sorrow and despair as they were unable to fill their children's stomach. Children, one of the reasons for this crisis in Germany was the political weakness of Weimar Republic. There were some inherent defects in the constitution of Weimar Republic which made it unstable and opened the door for dictatorship in Germany. Inherent defects in Weimar Republic. Proportional representation. This was the first defect in Weimar Republic. This made achieving a majority of any one party a near impossible task and led to a rule by coalition government. Next is children Article 48. This article gave the President the power to impose emergency, suspended civil rights and rule of decree. Because of the above defects in the constitution of Weimar Republic, it saw 20 different governments lasting on an average of 239 days. Article 48 was also liberally used. This political instability in Weimar Republic could not manage the crisis prevailing in Germany, and people lost their confidence in the democratic parliamentary system. All this led to the rise of dictatorship in the country. Thank you.